Hey y'all, it's Reba. Thanks for checking out the Drinking Vegan channel. Today we are having a friend over for dinner and I am making a kind of unusual pesto. It doesn't use pine nuts. Some of our friends and family have a nut allergy, and these particular folks can have pumpkin seeds, but always check with your guest. You know, you don't want to kill them. So anyway, it's really easy, it's delicious, it's vegan. I think you're gonna like it. Let's get cooking. This pesto is super easy to make. Grab your blender or food processor, throw in a couple of handfuls of spinach or maybe another kind of green. I've used dandelion leaves before, and that was good. Then a good amount of basil. I like to use 8 or 10 leaves at least. And then because I don't like to use oil in my cooking, I don't like the added fat, I don't like the added calories, I used about a cup of cannellini beans. It will thicken it, it will make it creamy. Add in some minced garlic. And then I used about a half a cup of the pumpkin seeds. They were already shelled and roasted. It came that way in the bag from Trader Joe's. Some nutritional yeast, I'm going to guess about a half a cup, and some water to the consistency that you want your pesto. If you make it thick, you can actually use it as a spread or a dip. I left mine a little thinner and put it over a whole pot of pasta. Roasted vegetables make such a hearty and scrumptious side dish. I make them probably once or twice a week at least. Part of my strategy for trying to stay at a healthy weight is to eat a lot of veggies. They take up a lot of space in your tummy without very many calories, because I don't know about y'all, but I don't want to just gnaw on a little carrot. I need some food. Now, for roasted veggies, a marinade just kicks it up another notch. The marinade I do the most is just balsamic vinegar, some garlic, a little Dijon mustard with some seasonings, maybe some oregano and black pepper. Stir, pour over the vegetables, roast at 425 for 35 or 40 minutes. They will come out fabulous. Even though we're having company, I'm taking help tonight because it's Friday. I bought me a big bag of salad at the Costco. Now, this salad dressing isn't vegan, but I'll put it out for my company because they're not vegan. And I'll make some homemade dressing too. And I'll be honest, half the time people want the homemade dressing. They don't want the stuff that comes in it, even though I'm sure it's delicious. It's just not vegan. But look, it comes with all these little cranberries and seeds and whatnot. It'll be just fine. Look how pretty that looks. Ta-da! The salad's ready. Hey, now y'all don't judge me. Well, actually, I don't care if you judge me. Go ahead, judge. Anywho, like I said, I'm gonna make my own salad dressing for me and the squatch and whoever might want it. And I'm gonna add a couple little cuties chopped up in that salad. Looked a little too plain to me. Anyway, since I'm already having a mimosa, let's make a little champagne dressing for that salad. Maybe we can call it like a mimosa salad dressing. So we'll do a little champagne, a little OJ. Ooh, please hold. A little of this tangerine balsamic vinegar. It's delish. Little swirl of that. A little, and I do mean a little because I'm almost out, dab of Dijon mustard. We'll stir it around. I'm tempted just to pour this on that salad because even if you added that creamy non-vegan stuff, I bet this is just going to be delish. Oh, look at that. Oh, maybe a little bit more of the balsamic. This salad has tons of colors from the rainbow, packed with antioxidants, super healthy, and makes a beautiful, beautiful presentation. Hey y'all, dinner is just about ready. Our friends should be here any second. It smells so wonderful in here. It was super easy. I mean, what's easier than pasta, a salad, and some roasted veggies? We're gonna have a nice big glass of wine and sit around on this beautiful Friday night and just enjoy our friends. That's what having people over is all about, not stressing about what you're cooking. Y'all have a great week. Cheers.